Hi, I'm Lindy. I work for Frisby Cellars. It's a Lake Forest winery where we get all of our grapes from Paso Robles, so Central Coast of California. Today we're going to be pouring our Chardonnay, which is 60% stainless steel, 40% French oak, so it's a little bit lighter, crisper, more acidic. It's not a buttery oaky type Chardonnay. And then our second wine of the day is our Viognier Roussanne White Blend. It's going to be a little bit fuller, a little bit more on the fruity side. As for the reds, we have our 2015 Merlot, aged 20 months in new Kentucky American oak barrels. Personally, one of my favorites right now. It's got a lot of fruit at the beginning, a little bit of a vanilla spice finish to it. And then our final one for the day is our 2014 Cab. This one's about 20 months in Kentucky, American oak barrels and French oak barrels. Another fan favorite at Frisby. A little bit fuller, a little bit more on the dry side, but still got a lot of fruit-forward flavors to it. So that's what we're pouring today.